This one simple tip is going to help you supercharge your manifesting power. So if you're ready to learn how to manifest all the good that you desire, then stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I am Naila, and on this channel we talk about spirituality, getting in divine alignment with our purpose, and living a life of abundance, because freedom is our birthright. Ashe. I also talk about personal development, wealth building, and having financial freedom. So if you can vibe with that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm talking about one tip that you can use to supercharge your manifesting power. So the key to supercharging your manifesting power is with gratitude. Gratitude is so important when it comes to manifestation. And it's often the reason why a lot of people don't manifest and attract the things that they truly desire. Is because most people are walking around mad at life, frustrated, all right, tired, and have a negative vibration. So therefore, they just attract more of that into their lives rather than attracting the things that they really desire to have, such as money, financial abundance, love, happiness, joy, success, right? So when you begin to incorporate gratitude into your daily routine, your daily habits, you'll begin to see your vibration shift, which will in turn allow you to be able to open that flow of abundance that you have flowing to you. All right, so what you want to do is you want to get yourself a gratitude journal. All right, so this is my gratitude journal. And on the cover it says, enjoy the little things, right? Many of us, well, most of us are so focused on, manifesting our dream car, or manifesting a mansion, or manifesting $1 million, right? And we forget to pay attention and appreciate the little things in life, right? The simple fact that we woke up, the simple fact that we have oxygen and breath flowing in our body, keeping us alive. The fact that the sun came up and rose accordingly. Like, no one had to remind the sun to come up, right? It just does it, right? That's a miracle, of the divine. That's a divine miracle. The fact that the sun comes up each and every day, feeding us life force energy, that's something to be grateful for. But many of us just overlook things like that and take them for granted. But we need to be able to show appreciation for the good that is in our life, big or small. And that's how we begin to manifest more abundance and that flow of abundance and well-being. And life is just bliss, right? So you want to get yourself a gratitude journal. And I found this journal at Books A Million a couple of years ago. And this is my gratitude journal / my manifestation journal. So I have, some things in here that I'm manifesting, and then I also journal in here and script, and I use it as my gratitude journal as well. So each day when you wake up, you want to write in your gratitude journal and just jot down the things that you're grateful for, right? Just sit with yourself. This can be after you've done your meditation for the morning, right? We talked about doing 15 minutes of meditation each and every morning in our video earlier this week on Motivation Monday. And we talked about meditating for 15 minutes every morning. So after you've done your meditation for the morning, you can get your journal out and write in your journal all the things that you're grateful for. So sit with yourself, go within, and just let it flow, right? I'm grateful that I woke up this morning. I'm grateful that I slept in my bed comfortably. I'm grateful for my comfortable bed. I'm grateful that as I slept, I was safe, protected. You know, I had a peaceful, sound sleep. Those are some of the things that I will write, right? Today I wrote, I am grateful for my family and my family's health. I'm grateful for the sunshine. I'm grateful for oxygen. I'm grateful for my cell phone, okay? I'm grateful for my handwriting skills, right? Just showing gratitude for the simplest things, right? The fact that I have hands and I have fingers and I'm able to write. Back, during slavery times, our ancestors weren't even allowed to know how to read or write. So the fact that I know how to read and write, that's something to be grateful about, right? So just show appreciation and just be appreciative of all the blessings that you have in your life. Count your blessings, right? Like they say in church, count your blessings. That is a law of attraction. Counting your blessings, that's the law of attraction. That's showing gratitude. That's showing appreciation. So today was Thankful Thursday, and that is the main key that you can use in order to excel and boost your manifesting power. So let me know down in the comments, what was your biggest takeaway? What stood out to you the most? All right, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. And as always, I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace, love, and vibe high. Talk to you soon.